Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Nasa, and today I'll be filming a DIY. So in case you don't know, I am a songwriter, and as a songwriter I need to be able to record my songs. But because I can't afford a whole recording studio, I needed to find a cheaper solution. So I went on YouTube and I found some tutorials, and in one of the tutorials someone was able to build it for $23 and then another person was able to build it for $15. But lucky me, I'm able to build it for $0 because all the materials that are needed I already have or was able to find in the garage. So I'm very excited to build this thing. So the materials that I'll be using are this milk crate, pair of scissors, and then in the tutorials, the guys used adhesive spray, but I'm using a hot glue gun. And most importantly, what is needed is this like a mattress foam pad. This one is like 1 inch thick, and it's like really dingy and used. So I'm adding this piece of fabric, which is like something, it's like these are seat covers that were used like a long time ago in a bridal shower. So I'm gonna cover this up so it's like, so I don't see that yellow mixed with dirt, because it's pretty gross. So yeah, so those are the things that I'll be using. I've already cut these pieces so that they could perfectly fit on 3 sides of this crate. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to put this down so I can cover it up with the blue fabric, and then I'm going to hot glue it in place so it's all covered pretty much like that, but I'm going to make it look pretty. I finished putting the white fabric over the foam, and there are definitely a lot of scraps, so you guys will have to work through that if you do what I do. And now I'm going to put it inside. And the thing is, it fits like perfectly, so I won't need to glue it down to the box because it just fits like snugly. I'm just pushing it in right now. And I'm gonna put the bottom, or well, actually this is the top, because I'm gonna put it like this, and then my mic's gonna be here, and here's my soundproof little studio. So this right here is the finished product, and I did end up hot gluing the pad onto the crate so that it would look neater, and I really like how it looks. And as you can see, I took advantage of the holes that are on the crate, so the cords going through that, and that works out very nice. I also did test this out, and I actually really like how the audio comes out. There's a whole lot less static going on, so I'm really excited about that. And I'm glad that I made this, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Bye. I send you my love.